Our regular correspondent called out today due to snow. Instead, we found a man on the street to provide insight on the weather conditions. Man on the street, what's it like out there?
It's cold, Sam. It's windy. It's a lot of snow everywhere.
What do you want to tell our viewers who might want to go out in this blizzard?
I would say, hide your kids, hide your wife, hide your cat, your dog. This wind's chilling everybody out here.
Okay. How are the roads looking?
Well, Sam, as you can see, the roads are going to look atrocious. I would advise leaving all your vehicles parked and enjoy a nice afternoon watching Netflix.
That sounds reasonable and safe. Man on the street, how prepared do you think you were for this storm?
I didn't believe the hype. I woke up to get me a fudgicle, and I looked outside, and I thought a crackhead was shaking out his dandruff. Then I said, "Oh, sweet baby Hamlet, it's a blizzard." So I grabbed my hat and my boots, and I ran outside.
Okay. Well, one last question for you. Do you have any tips for our viewers once it's time to start shoveling?
Certainly, Sam. I would say avoid unnecessary exertion. If you don't need to go anywhere today, shovel over time. Don't strain yourself. But most of all, bundle up and wear a good pair of gloves. Because, girl, it's cold outside. Ain't gonna be getting no frostbite. Not today.
Well, there you have it, folks. The weather from the man on the street. Where in the world do we find these people? Bleh.
Go again, quick.
All right, stop. Guys.
Take 3.